fantastic special style that Enzo Bonafe has made for a few clients of ours. It's quite a classic Adelaide style, but with a reversed toe cap, as you can see, like a diamond toe cap if you want. And it's actually a very popular style that we did for no less than 3 clients during the last trunk show. I don't know if someone saw it and just decided to go all in, or if it was like a group of friends. I don't know, to be honest. I think the contrast here is very nice with the black suede and the black cuff, Weinheimer cuff. I think it's a very elegant combo, and I think it shows the power of the MTO options that you can have. Just like play around with different types of classic variations. I think that's a very fun thing to do. You see the sleek profile of the Enzo Bonafe, but still they have quite a distinct, wider sole edge that's been fudged. It's very distinct for Enzo Bonafe. Here you have a vibrant sole, a taupey sole, which we've attached with some extra nails up here, and a slightly beveled waist. All in all, a very nice classic style with a twist.